In this video, we'll show you how to change the order of how your tickets and products appear. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. In this example of a spring fair, I want all of my entry tickets to appear first, and then the go-kart tickets to appear after. So I'll browse to Admin, Events, and then select Tickets and Products from the Manage menu. Then on the Product menu, either click on the name or select Edit from the Manage menu. By default, your products are sorted in ascending order, so the lowest number will be shown first. If they all share the same sort order number, they will be sorted alphanumerically by name. To change the order, you can either give them allocated sort order numbers, or you can drag and drop them into your preferred order. You can use the preview from the Event Management menu to ensure that the order is now as you would like it. And that's it, you now know how to change the order of how your tickets and products appear. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.